the typewriter, a mechanical marvel that transformed communication. The invention of the typewriter marked a pivotal moment in the history of written communication. Before the arrival of this mechanical marvel, handwriting was the primary method of recording information, a time-consuming and often error-prone process. The typewriter revolutionized the way people documented ideas, conducted business, and communicated across distances, leaving a lasting impact on the modern world. The concept of a machine that could mechanically replicate the act of writing dates back to the early 18th century, but it wasn't until the 19th century that a functional and commercially viable typewriter emerged. In 1868, Christopher Latham Sholes, an American inventor, patented the first practical typewriter, which later became known as the Sholes and Glidden typewriter. This model was produced by Remington Sons and introduced to the market in 1873. The original typewriters were mechanical devices with keys that, when pressed, caused metal arms called type bars, with raised letters to strike an inked ribbon and imprint a character onto paper. These machines used the QWERTY keyboard layout, designed by Sholes to prevent mechanical jams by spacing out commonly used letter pairings. This layout remains the standard even on modern computer keyboards. The typewriter rapidly gained popularity in offices, newspapers, and personal use. It allowed for faster writing, more legible text, and efficient duplication through carbon copies. Secretaries and typists became essential members of the workforce, and the typewriter played a key role in the emergence of clerical and administrative professions, especially for women entering the workplace in large numbers during the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Over time, typewriters evolved from heavy manual models to sleeker, electric machines in the mid-20th century. Brands like IBM and Smith Corona introduced electric typewriters that improved typing speed and reduced physical strain, further streamlining the process. Although typewriters have largely been replaced by computers and digital word processors today, their legacy remains strong. They laid the foundation for modern typing interfaces and word processing technology, and vintage typewriters are still cherished by collectors, writers, and enthusiasts for their nostalgic and artistic appeal. In essence, the typewriter was more than just a tool. It was a symbol of progress, communication, and innovation. It empowered individuals to express ideas efficiently and played a vital role in shaping the way we write and interact with written language in the modern age.